Hi, friends. Today, I'm so happy you're here. Let's explore the spooky side in a sweet and silly way. Halloween coloring fun. Look at this big round pumpkin from Pexels.com. It's orange. Can you say orange? Orange pumpkin. Let's color it orange. Slow and gentle. Orange, orange, orange. Here comes a friendly ghost. Boo, not scary. The ghost is white. Can you say white? White ghost. Color softly. White, white, white. Wow, a shiny moon in the sky. The moon is yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow moon. Color in little circles. Yellow, yellow, yellow. I see a cozy black cat. The cat says, meow. Black cat. Can you say black? Black, black, black color. The cat black. Nice and slow. Look, a witch hat that's purple. Can you say purple? Purple hat. Color the hat purple. Purple, purple, purple. Uh-oh, some silly slime. It's green. Can you say green? Green slime. Squishy, squishy. Green, green, green. Let's remember our colors. Orange pumpkin, white ghost, yellow moon, black cat, purple hat, green slime. Great job coloring, friends. You did careful, gentle strokes. If you want more pictures and videos, ask your grown-up to help find them on Pexels.com. Now let's add happy faces and friendly smiles. A smile on the pumpkin, a smile on the ghost. Everyone is kind. Take a deep breath. Wiggle your fingers. Tap, tap your crayons. You colored with care. I'm proud of you. Say the colors one more time with me. Orange, white, yellow, black, purple, green. Thank you, little artists. Happy Halloween coloring.